Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am.
Okay, how are you this morning?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine too. Okay, before we start our lesson, all of you use your mask well ya. Kemudian perhatikan dulu keadaan kelasnya, kursi, meja harus rapi ya sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran. Oke. Ketua kelas, lead your friend for praying first. Ketua kelas silakan.
Istaitu Wahid Islam Selasa.
May Allah bless our activity today. Who is absent today? Fadil, kenapa? Sick. Oke. Zuri seperti biasa agar teman-temannya semangat belajar pagi. Silakan yel-yel kelasnya.
Teman-teman, semangat pagi Indonesia.
Indonesia jaya, jaya, jaya. Kami bangga dari Indonesia.
Okay, applause for all of us. Okay, pagi ini we are going to learn about expressing ya. Sebelumnya Nanda juga sudah belajar mengenai several expressing. Do you still remember what kind of expressing that we have learned before? Greeting and gift taking, and then okay, congratulations, and then intention. Ada lagi? And compliment. Okay. Kalau compliment itu the expression for compliment for someone. Ya. Kalau congratulation selamat ya. Oke, kalau congratulations selamat. And how about intention? Iya, to show plan or rencana. Jadi itu yang expressing intention. Jadi untuk hari ini kita masih seputar expressing juga. Tapi sebelum kita masuk ke kind of expressingnya, I have something for you ya. Let's we take a look at the pictures. The first pictures is, okay, you can see on the scene. Please read. Read it. What's the matter? Kemudian?
I have a terrible headache.
Okay. If you meet with a person, like the situation like on the pictures, what will you say?
You should take medicine.
You should take medicine. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, you should take a rest. Ya, okay. Kalau situasinya itu I have a terrible headache, someone say like that to you, you will say some. Iya. Kemudian the next pictures. Okay. The situation is your friend fail on the test. What will you say? You should. Okay. You should do exercise. Okay. Next. You should study hard. And then Okay, good. You should take a course. Okay, one more pictures. The last pictures is nih. The woman is so tired. What will you say to her?
You should go
You should take a rest. You should go traveling. Okay. Ada lagi? You should take a rest. Okay. Kemudian tadi apa? You should go traveling. Okay. Nah, jadi after we see some pictures, ya. Tadi sudah ada beberapa pictures. Kemudian your friend have answer related to the pictures. Ada yang mengatakan for the first pictures you should take an aspirin, you should take medicine. For the second pictures your friend is fall on the test. Kemudian ada temannya menjawab do more exercise. Apa tadi lagi? Ya, study hard. You should take a course. And for the last pictures orangnya tired. Apa tadi jawabannya? You should take a rest. Berarti kira-kira what we are going to learn.
Suggestion.
Oke, suggestion. Dari mana Anda tahu kalau pelajaran kita tuh suggestion? Ada should-nya, ya you should, karena banyak kata-kata should di dalamnya kan. Should take a rest, should go for vacation, ya, you should go traveling. Ya, jadi memang suggestion untuk hari ini. Jadi sebelum kita masuk ke materi inti, silakan dilihat di depan. Ini adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita ketika kita mempelajari suggestion. Yang pertama ini dia. Ya. I hope you can identify the function and the structures about expressing suggestion. Itu yang pertama. Kemudian tujuan yang kedua, I hope you can analyze the expressing related to suggestion or advice. And the next learning purpose is, I hope you can arrange a short dialogue related to the expressing. And the last one, I hope you can present the dialogue that has rearranged before. Oke, kenapa kita penting mempelajari suggestion or advice? Karena di dunia ini tidak ada orang yang luput dari kesalahan. All of us need the other person advice or suggestion. Ya, perhatikan beberapa kata bijak di depan. Try to be a rainbow in someone's clouds. Kemudian the next one. No man is so wise that he can afford to wholly ignore the advice of others. Jadi ini membuktikan kita tetap membutuhkan suggestion from the others. And then advice is like snow. The softer it falls, the longer it wells you upon, and the deeper it sink into the mind. Jadi menasihati orang itu harus dengan cara yang baik. Should be polite, harus dengan sopan, agar apa yang kita nasihatkan itu memang benar-benar memberikan good impact in their living. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kita masuk untuk yang pertama. Sebelum ke materi inti, ada sebuah video yang akan memperlihatkan ke Anda. So please take a look at the video and then conclude what is the content of the video and also what the video is about atau what is the speakers talking about. Ya, jadi ini dia videonya. Kita analisa bersama-sama isi videonya.
Hi, I'm Martin.
Hello, welcome to Jiaze YouTube channel. This video will help you how to ask and giving advice in English. Asking for advice. I've got bad grades. What do you suggest? I've got bad grades. What do you suggest? What do you advise me to do? What do you advise me to do? What should I do? What should I do? What ought I to do? What ought I to do? What's your advice? What's your advice? If you were me, what would you do? If you were me, what would you do? Giving advice. Memberi pendapat dengan model auxiliary should dan ought to. Keduanya digunakan untuk menunjukkan makna saran atau hal yang sebaiknya dilakukan. Perhatikan ekspresi berikut. You should stop smoking. You should stop smoking. You should do more exercise. You should do more exercise. You should leave her. You should leave her. You ought to do more exercise. You ought to do more exercise. You ought not to drink so much coffee. You ought to stay here with me. You ought to stay here with me. You ought to leave now. It's already late. You ought to leave now. It's already late. Membuat kalimat advice menjadi sebuah pertanyaan.
Okay. After you watch the video, what can you get from it? The first one, what can you get from it? Okay, Leah?
Expressing of advice or suggestion consists of asking for advice, giving an advice, and responses.
And responses, okay. Can you give one example about asking for advice?
Asking for advice, you can say, what do you suggest, or what should I do?
Okay, good. Next, for giving advice, who can get or give me one more example from the video untuk giving advice? Giving advice from the video, what is the expressing? Apa?
This giving advice. You should.
You should. Okay, good. You should.
You should stop smoking.
Okay, next.
Next is you should be careful.
Okay, you should stop smoking. You should be careful. Okay, good. Jadi si videonya memang seputar asking and giving advice or suggestion. Samakah advice dengan suggestion? Sama. Same. It's the same. Ya. Jadi itu seputar giving advice or suggestion. Itu isi videonya. Ya. Untuk selanjutnya, silakan Anda ikuti setelah mem. Ini dia, silakan diperhatikan dulu. Expressing suggestion or advice. Di sini ada beberapa ekspresi yang sudah kita bagi-bagi karena seperti yang dibilang oleh Lia tadi, expressing suggestion or advice can be divided into asking and giving suggestion. Okay, repeat after me. For asking for suggestion, what do you suggest?
What do you suggest?
Do you have any suggestion?
Do you have any suggestion?
What should I do?
What should I do?
If you were me, what would you do?
If you were me, what would you do?
What's your advice?
What's your advice?
Please tell me what to do.
Please tell me what to do.
What ought I to do?
What ought I to do?
Okay, next. Untuk giving suggestion, I would like to suggest you that
I would like to suggest you that
it's better for you to.
it's better for you to.
My advice is. My suggestion is. You should. You can. I recommend you to. Next. Untuk responsesnya, kita bisa membaginya menjadi accepting and refusing. Karena kadangkala someone will accept our suggestion or kadang-kadang mereka akan refuse ya atau decline. Mereka akan menolaknya. Ketika menerima atau accepting the expressing suggestion, kita bisa ungkapkan dengan that's good idea. I will do it. I'll try, thank you. Sure. I can do it. You are right. That sounds good. Nah, ini beberapa contoh ekspresi yang akan kita gunakan when we refuse the suggestion. Repeat after me. I can't do that. I'm afraid I can't. Could you give me another way? I think it can solve my problem. I'm not sure. How about other suggestion? I don't think I can. Okay. Silakan diperhatikan dulu for asking for suggestion. Nanda berdua-dua dengan cermetnya. Silakan dikoreksi. Misalnya si A mengucapkan why do you suggest? Si B nanti mengucapkan do you have any suggestion? Silakan dikoreksi pronunciation temannya. Seperti yang sudah kita lafalkan bersama-sama. Ya. Dengan temannya. Dengan cermetnya.
What do you suggest? What should I do? What's your advice? What else? Suggestions
Have you finished? Okay. Jadi harus saling mengoreksi karena kita sudah pronounce it together. Jadi Nanda dengan temannya lagi mengoreksi, saling mengoreksi pronunciation-nya. Oke. Nah, dari video yang telah kita lihat tadi bersama from the video, itu ada sebenarnya beberapa pola kalimat yang bisa kita pelajari dari ekspresi suggestion karena tiap expressing itu mereka memiliki own structures, memiliki strukturnya sendiri-sendiri. Oke, silakan perhatikan baik-baik. Ini Nanda salin yang penting-penting ini ya. Oke, let's see the structures of expressing suggestion. The first one, when we use why done plus subject plus verb one. Okay, good. And next, when we use let, it should be followed by verb one also. For example, let's go on vacation. Okay. The next one is how about. Should be followed by verb plus ing. Okay. For example, how about telling the truth. Kemudian I suggest that should be followed by subject plus verb one also. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next one. Should. Karena yang paling banyak itu we find in expressing suggestion or advice, kita rata-rata menggunakan should. Should ini adalah anggota modal. semua modal harus diikuti oleh verb 1. Jadi setelah should be followed by verb 1. You should take an English course. And the next one, ought to. Ought to itu karena sama juga dengan should, berarti dia followed by verb 1 also. And the last one, you had better. Should be followed by verb 1. Okay, so far, any question? No. Do you understand? Yes. So, what is expressing suggestion or advice? Expressing to show suggestion or advice. It can be divided into asking and giving suggestion or advice. Should diikuti oleh verb 1. How about followed by verb ing. Okay, verb 1 ing itu untuk how about. Kemudian ini you had better should followed by verb 1 also. Okay, good. Next. Kalau memang tidak ada pertanyaan, kita akan coba listening. Jadi karena tujuan pembelajaran kita tadi yang pertama kan Anda analyze the social function and the structures of expressing suggestion. Sudah sampai di sini. Untuk yang kedua, you should analyze the expressing of asking and giving suggestion. Jadi ma'am akan kasih dalam bentuk listening test. Ya. Listening testnya dikerjakan secara mandiri karena ini individual task ya. Kerjakan sendiri-sendiri. Okay, are you ready for listening session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen it carefully. Ya. Baca dulu perintah pada worksheet-nya.
Complete that.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a listening section task for English class grade 11. Complete the dialogue based what you have heard. Write your answer on a piece of paper, then submit it to your teacher. Let's begin.
Chapter 1. Making a suggestion and an offer. Dialogue 1. Morning, Abdul. How are you?
Morning, Diane. I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. Are you going to join the online meeting tonight?
Online meeting? I haven't heard anything about it.
You should check your phone.
Okay. Have you finished until number 2?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
A group chat has shared the information about it.
Sorry, I don't have my phone with me now. I think you should tell me about it.
4, number 3. Finish? No. Okay, finish? Okay, next.
Okay, we will have an online meeting at 7 p.m. You should click the available link in the chat to join.
For number 4.
I see. What are we going to discuss?
Our journalism club wants to keep making articles for students.
That's a good idea. We should invite Mr. Akbar, our advisor, to join the meeting.
We have contacted him, and he has agreed to participate. You should attend it too.
Okay, I'll join.
Good. One more thing. You should prepare ideas for the discussion.
Okay, finish. Number 5. I will play it again one more time. Yeah.
This is a listening section task for English class grade 11. Complete the dialogue based what you have heard. Write your answer on a piece of paper, then submit it to your teacher. Let's begin.
Chapter 1. Making a suggestion and an offer. Dialogue 1. Morning, Abdul. How are you?
Morning, Dien. I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. Are you going to join the online meeting tonight?
Online meeting? I haven't heard anything about it.
You should check your phone. Our group chat has shared the information about it.
Sorry, I don't have my phone with me now. I think you should tell me about it.
Okay, we will have an online meeting at 7 p.m. You should click the available link in the chat to join.
I see. What are we going to discuss?
Our journalism club wants to keep making articles for students.
That's a good idea. We should invite Mr. Akbar, our advisor, to join the meeting.
We have contacted him, and he has agreed to participate. You should attend it too.
Okay, I'll join.
Good. One more thing. You should prepare ideas for the discussion.
Sure.
Okay, have you finished? Okay, next, move on to the second activity on your worksheet. For the second activity, classify the expression that you get from the dialogue. Classify it into giving suggestion or responses from the dialogue. Dialognya tadi sudah Nanda lengkapi dengan apa yang kita dengarkan from the audio ya. Jadi sekarang silakan di classifying. Classify the expression that you get from the dialogue. Giving suggestion, you can use 3 only, and for the responses, please add 2 sentences only.
2 sentences
Yeah, 2 sentences
for each.
for each. For giving suggestion 1 to 3, you should add 3 sentences, and for responses only 2 sentences. Okay, have you finished? Oke. Tukar jawaban lembar jawaban dengan teman ya. Dengan cermetnya. Kita koreksi bersama task 1 dan task 2. Oke, sudah ditukar dengan teman? Okay, for number 1. Zaki, number 1.
Are you going to join online meeting tonight?
Okay, good. Number 1. Are you going to join the online meeting tonight? Okay, for the second one. Wahyu Ramadhani. Wahyu for the second one.
You should take your phone. Our group chat has shared the information about it.
Okay, good. Number 3. Who can number 3? Number 3.
Number 3. Sorry, I don't have my phone with me now. I think you should tell me about it.
Okay, good. Number 4. Who can number 4?
Okay, we will have an online meeting at 7 p.m. You should click link in the chat to join.
Okay, good. The last one, number 5 for task 1. Who can number 5? Number 5, okay?
Good. One more thing, you should prepare the idea for the discussion.
Okay, good. Okay, we move on to the next task. Classifying the expression that you get from the dialogue. For giving suggestion, number 1, who can? Okay, number 1.
We should invite Mr. Akbar, our officer, to join the meeting.
Okay, good. Next. For the next sentences about giving suggestion, who can? The other? Okay, Nanda?
You should check your phone.
Okay, you should check your phone. Okay, next.
I think you should tell me about it.
Okay, I think you should.
Tell me.
Okay, good. Tell me about it. Any other? Ada yang lain? Okay, nak.
You should prepare idea for the discussion.
Okay, you should prepare the idea for discussion. Okay, good. Any other? Ada yang lain? No? Tidak ada lagi. Oke. Untuk yang kedua, kita diminta memberikan responses related to the expression on the dialogue. Number 1, apa responsesnya? Okay, good idea. Next?
One more thing, sure.
Sure. Okay, good. Sure. Ada yang lain? Oke, kemudian ada sorry di sana. Kalau dia refusing berarti dia ucapkan dengan sorry. Oke. I don't have. Iya, I don't have my phone with me. Okay, good, with me now. Okay, so far, do you understand about the expressing of asking and giving suggestion? Okay. Tadi di tujuan pembelajaran kita yang ketiga apa? I hope you can arrange a short dialogue about expressing asking and giving suggestion. Jadi Imam akan kasih nanda waktu untuk membuat sebuah dialog singkat related to the expression that we are discussing ya for today. Silakan Anda buat dulu dengan cermatnya. Dengan cermat saja ya. Kumpulkan dulu latihan yang tadi. Silakan dikumpulkan. Atau nanti kita kumpulkan di akhir pembelajaran ya. Buat dialognya dulu. Mam kasih waktu 15 menit. Ya, di halaman kedua saja dibuat. Nanti dipresentasikan di depan kelas ya. Okay, 5 minutes more to practice. Have you finished? Who want to be the first? Okay. Let's come in front of the class. Do you want to use it? Okay, good. Okay, before presenting the expressing in front of your friends, Nanda harus pakai intro terlebih dahulu ya. Okay, friends, I would like to show you about expressing suggestion. Let's listen to us. Yeah.
Okay, friend. I will show you about expressing, asking, and giving suggestion. Listening to us. I have a problem now.
What is it?
I have broken my sister's cell phone.
Have you ever told about it?
I haven't. I'm afraid that she will be angry to me.
I suggest you to tell her about it, then say sorry.
How about if she wants me to pick her cell phone?
It is better to bring it out to the cell phone center.
But I don't know where I can get it.
Don't be worried, I have a friend who has a cell phone center.
Will he fix it by himself?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you so
I
much.
will.
Okay, good. Applause for your friends. Both of you have a good pronunciation. Okay, next. Who wants to be the next one? Come in front of the class. Next. Okay, Nia and Nia, use it.
Okay, friends. I will show you the expressing of giving and asking suggestion. Please listen to us. Hey, Miss. Your front tire it looks like your front tire is flat. Do you have a spare tire with you? I can help you to put it on. Actually, there's an auto repair shop. It's 2 miles from here. If you think you can drive on a flat tire for that long, you should go to that shop.
I think I can drive that long. 2 miles is not too far. Can you tell me the directions? How can I get there?
Just go straight and you'll find it. My pleasure.
Okay, applause for your friend. Excellent ya. Good pronunciation and also good diction. For the next one. Okay. Maju ke depan kelas. What to show expression. What to show expression. Okay, friend. Before what to show the expression giving suggestion, listen to us. What should we have for lunch?
We will try the new pasta at the pasta house.
I don't feel like eating pasta.
How we order chicken curry instead?
That sounds delicious.
Alright, I will tell Lofu.
Don't forget, I'm entered 11 level spicy.
Huh? Are you kidding me?
I love spicy food. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, good. And next. Cepat nak.
Okay, friends, before I wrote to show the expressing giving and responsibility.
Let's listen to us.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you mind not to smoke here?
What's your problem? There is no sign that said it's forbidden to smoke in here. It
That's rude.
means that I can smoke here.
That's rude. But it is a public area. Your cigarette is harmful of people here.
People aren't complaining, expect you.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I don't want to make a skin here. So I suggest you to smoke somewhere else. Can you see? There are many children.
Alright,
I live and smoke somewhere else. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Okay, good. Next.
Okay, friend, before I want to show you the expressing giving suggestion, listen to us. I think I need to improve my English. What do you suggest me to do?
It's better for you to take an only course. The best one is at Soekarno-Hatta Street.
I think about that, but I'm not sure I can take that course. It's really from my home.
How about taking an online course?
Wow, that sounds good. Please tell me what to do.
You should visit any website, then enroll online course. I have done it since COVID-19 pandemic.
Sure, I'll try soon. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's so helpful.
Okay, good. Okay, next. Pakai mikrofonnya nak. Dipegang juga boleh.
Listen to us. Hey Sari, why do you look so sad?
I have a serious problem today. I have just lost my wallet.
Really? Where do you lost it?
Maybe in the car.
I think you should be more careful with your belongings.
Yeah, it is my fault.
Then besides Sari, I hope you can find it really soon.
Thank you, honey. Do you have any suggestion for me?
If my suggest, you should go to the port and look for more detail.
I have looked for it for hours, but I didn't find it. Do you have any suggestion?
You would better tell the securities to find it. I'll help you. Or also announce in the visitors.
Yeah, you're right. I will play it. Thank you for your suggestion.
You're welcome, Sari.
Certainly, Han.
Okay, good. Okay, next.
Okay guys, tell us. I need to look like, how do I start with that? If I were you, I will reduce my food portion and start exercising regularly. Okay, do you know what kind of exercise that's best for losing weight? I think we should ask that Megan. She is not late. So she must at least know something about the exercising last weight. That's what I think. Do you need the number? Her number? I have it. If you want. Sure. Thanks.
Okay, good. Next. Okay, give applause to your friend. Okay, next. The next one.
Nggak seperti itu nggak apa-apa kan?
Nggak apa-apa.
Hey, you look like what? Are you okay?
I get a stomach catch.
Do you like anything or like a medicine maybe?
Yes, I need a medicine for a stomach.
I will get that for you.
Thank you.
There is no medicine for upset stomachs in our storage box. But I bring eucalyptus oil or just rub in on what your belly or it can ease the pain.
Thanks.
If the pain persists, you should see a doctor.
I just can't pronounce her. So I'm talking about my classmate. What's wrong with her? She detects the back anywhere. She what the bad habit she has. Don't complain. You should talk to her. You have to remind her again and again. Thanks for the advice.
Okay, good. Okay, after all of your friends have present the short dialogue or short conversation about asking and giving advice or suggestion, so far any question? No? No question so far? Okay. Jadi sangat penting, sangat berperan besar yang namanya suggestion or advice itu in our living, dalam kehidupan kita. Okay. Before we close our activity today, mau salah satu dari Nanda itu membuat kesimpulan dari materi kita. Who can make a conclusion? Raise your hand. Siapa yang bisa membuat kesimpulan? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay?
The conclusion about our lesson today is about giving and asking advice or suggestion. It consists of three parts: giving, asking advice, giving advice, and responses. The responses is divided by two parts: accepting and refusing.
Okay, good. Okay. Itu materi kita untuk hari ini ya. Asking and giving advice or suggestion. Ya. Jadi ada di dalamnya giving, suggestion. Kita rata-rata akan menggunakan you should bla 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 bla. Kemudian kalau kita askingnya, what do you suggest to me? Iya, benar yang dikatakan temannya tadi. Kemudian untuk asking and giving suggestion ini tentu ada respon yang akan kita ucapkan. Kadangkala kita akan menerima, accepting this suggestion. Sometimes mungkin kita rejecting the suggestion, menolaknya. Okay, good. Nah, jadi untuk pekerjaan rumah Nanda nanti, titip nanti ke ketua kelas ya. Jadi ketua kelas yang akan membagikan soalnya untuk yang akan dikerjakan di rumah atau di asrama. Jadi nanti ketua kelas yang akan membaginya ke Nanda. Ya. Untuk minggu depan kita masih seputar expressing suggestion juga. Tapi untuk soal lagi, soalnya ke reading comprehension. Jadi ada dialog, nanti ada responses yang akan Nanda pilih to complete the dialogue. Itu yang untuk minggu depan. So far any question? No. Okay. Jika nggak ada pertanyaan, let we close our activity today by saying hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah.